Hello student, today we discuss new chapter that is the pollution of air and water of class 8. First, that is the pollution of air and water. First we discuss about the air pollution. What is air pollution? All of you know that air is a homogeneous mixture of gases consisting of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, and the remaining 1% is a combination of some other gases such as argon and carbon dioxide. All of you are aware with all these things. When some harmful gases also combined with air such as carbon monoxide and the sulfur dioxide combined with air, and this type of gases causes discomfort, then it is known as air pollution. When the amount of these gases increases, then it causes discomfort, and this is known as air pollution. Now we discuss about the pollutant. What is the meaning of pollutant? Any undesired substance in the atmosphere that contaminate the air is called pollutant. Pollutant means any undesired substance. Pollutant. Any undesired substance substance in the atmosphere that contaminate air is called pollutant. Yeah. Pollutant means any undesired substance in the atmosphere that contaminate the air is called pollutant. And air pollution is basically caused by the human as well as some natural activity. During the air pollution, sulfur dioxide gas is present in the atmosphere, and this sulfur dioxide gas is basically produced by thermal power plant, but basically burning of the coal product. Sulfur dioxide gas is released. This sulfur dioxide gas combined with water during rainfall and form sulfuric acid and cause the acid rain. All of you know that due to the acidic rain, monument destroy and the railway tracks or the buildings all becomes destroyed due to acidic rain, because the acid rain corrode the outer surface of monuments. All of you aware that the color of the Taj Mahal changed due to acidic rain. That is white in color, but the calcium carbonate, Taj Mahal is made up of marble, which is the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate reacts with basically acid, and the color changes from white to light yellow in color. And the carbon monoxide gas is produced due to the incomplete combustion of the substance. During the burning of fuel in vehicles also causes the formation of carbon monoxide gas, and this gas is highly poisonous and reactive in nature. Carbon monoxide is basically a colorless gas, and in its presence cannot be detected by smelling. Carbon monoxide combined with our hemoglobin and form carboxyhemoglobin, and the carboxyhemoglobin is very harmful because it prevents the flow of oxygen inside our body and prevent the combination of oxygen with the blood, and due to the lack of oxygen it causes the death of a person, and eventually maybe, and sometimes person due to the lack of oxygen, deprivation of oxygen also cause fatal of the person and death of a person. Therefore carbon monoxide is very harmful for a person. Now the SPM means suspended particulate matter. Minute solid particles is also present in the air that is remain suspended till sometimes, and that is known as suspended particulate matter. It is basically in the form of dust, smoke or even vapor. These vapor reduce the visibility. This vapor reduce the visibility and it may also cause the accident on the. Now the nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide gas is discharged from the industries or from the exhaust of automobiles. Nitrogen dioxide gas again combined with rain and form nitric acid, which is also very harmful. Now the chlorofluorocarbon, which is in short written as CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, and chlorofluorocarbon is also very harmful, and it is basically released from air conditioner, refrigerator and aerosol. Carbon CFC damages the ozone layer of atmosphere, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Therefore, due to the release of the chlorofluorocarbon, it will destroy the ozone layer, and there is a hole in the ozone layer due to the chlorofluorocarbon. If the ultraviolet radiation come to the Earth's surface, then it cause the skin cancer and damage to eyes. Therefore, the CFC is also one of the harmful pollutant, or we can say that it is also one of the reason of air pollution. Now the lead. Lead is the major component of petrol, diesel, paints and even hair dye products. It is emitted from the automobile exhaust and can damage even the nervous system, and in some cases it may cause cancer. In the next class we discuss how air pollution is harmful for us and what is the effect of air pollution in our day-to-day life. Thank you.